Living organisms in soil constitute a food chain, critical to life. This food chain can easily be compared to life in a lake. Ever wonder what it would be like to be a small fish in a big lake? Everything else is trying to eat you. How do the large fish in the lake get so large? By eating the smaller fish. Even organisms that live at the top of the food chain eventually die and are decomposed, releasing the nutrients that they contain. This is nature's way of recycling. The numbers of smaller organisms in soil are staggering, with the smaller being more numerous than the large, just like little fish in the lake. Bacteria are often present at approximately 100 million per gram of soil. Remember, a pint of soil weighs about 1 pound, and there are 454 grams in a pound. Actinomycetes are present at approximately 10 million per gram, fungi at 100,000 per gram, algae and protozoa at 10,000 per gram, and nematodes at 100 per gram. The larger organisms such as mites and springtails, often small enough that we can't see with the unaided eye, are present in thousands per cubic meter. Soil contains a huge array of diversity, including mites, springtails, rotifers, protozoa, such as this Vorticella and Ciliophora, algae, and lots of interactions of organisms such as this fungus that has trapped a nematode, or fungi living independently in soil such as this Penicillium or this Aspergillus. At a smaller scale, we have Actinomycetes, or thread bacteria, and bacteria that can fix nitrogen, such as these Azotobacter. Some fungi have developed beneficial relationships with plants, such as Endomycorrhizae and Ectomycorrhizae. All of these organisms live and function within a small volume of soil. In the background, one can see smaller organisms such as bacteria and protozoa, intermixed with larger organisms such as the springtail or nematode, which use the smaller organisms as a food source. To see many of the organisms in soil, we must have magnification. This protozoan in the center is being joined by a rotifer moving in on the right. In addition to consuming organisms, producing organisms are critical, such as higher plants or chlorophyll-containing algae that we see here, for providing the beginning of the food chain. Therefore, as we walk over the surface of soil, we need to remember the mysteries of soil that lie beneath our feet, a world hidden from view, but teeming with life.